Hello, Namaste. I'm Deepak Pawar, developer, founder, and CEO at Classibit. We at Classibit created EventMe-Pro and EventMe-Pro Fully Loaded. These are website scripts for online event management and ticket selling platform. You can easily launch your online event ticket selling website using EventMe-Pro or EventMe-Pro Fully Loaded on your own domain and web hosting. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to download it and install it on your web hosting and get started with it. I'm also going to show you step-by-step guide on all the features of EventMe Pro so that you can easily watch it and learn it. Okay, so this is EventMe Pro fully loaded installation video. After purchasing, download it from the downloads page and upload it on your cPanel or your web hosting. So let's upload it. After uploading, extract it, and first you have to create a database, MySql database, and fetch its database name, username, and the password. And then you need to enter the database credentials into the .env file. So edit this .env file and add the credentials. Here you can also add your website name, your website URL, and make sure you have installed SSL certificate, and the website URL you are adding must be HTTPS or else the ticket scanner won't work. Now we are entering the website URL in the app URL. It's pretty basic. It's just a text editor. You don't need to have any knowledge of coding. You just need to enter the database credentials and click Save Changes. Once the changes saved, close this tab and open a new tab and open your website URL into it. You will be redirected to license page. Here you need to enter the license code. You can fetch the license code from the Classibit downloads page, the same page from where you downloaded it. Now this is after successful license verification, you will be redirected to EventMe Pro fully loaded web installer. Here simply click check requirements. Your web hosting must have at least PHP version 7.4, and this will check the required PHP extension. Click check permissions, and this is just a verification screen. You don't have to change anything here because we already added those things in manually from the text editor. Now simply click proceed. Now the installation finished. Yeah, it was very easy. Click setup finish and proceed to website. Finishing the setup, you have to do one more step. Simply click login on admin panel with the default admin password that you used when logging on the live demo. Visit admin panel. And here you will see this fix it button. Simply click fix it. This will fix the broken image issue on your website. This is not an issue, this is a step to complete the setup. Now the setup is finished. and you can visit the website and get started from the admin panel and setting. We hope you find this video informative. In the next video we will be covering admin settings. So stay tuned. Thank you.